Guys, oh my god, I'm eating taho. Taho. From Philippines because I'm from Philippines. I love it. So tasty. It's so sweet and tasty. I love sweets. If you're craving for sweets, go to the Philippines and buy taho. Sige. So ugly. How did I even do this? I cannot even do sweets. Really? So good. So good. I'm actually craving for taho. Because they go like taho. Tokong taho. Like that. I love it. So good.
Page 1 lang ang nagtagpal, uy. Nag-ahalo mo ka. Yung kape mo.
So good.
Ang sarap na ng kape mo, ayaw mo pa rin. Ha? Eh, ikaw ang naggawa eh. Wala na kaya tayong kape. Ano ba ito, black?
The best dish ever. Spanish. Not forgetting this, I'm still going